Hi, going on, my friend, fellow Forex trader. It's Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. Today I've got a pretty powerful new indicator that I've released. It's really good for trading the Euro USD and British Pound USD via day trading and scalping of the 1 hour charts. Okay, it's as you know, I'm a big RSI divergence, or not RSI, the indicator is the actual RSI divergence, but I'm a big advocate of divergence trading, and I've managed to program specific, if I can pronounce the word properly, RSI divergence indicator that's really unique when you're trading at support and resistance zones or trend continuation areas, and if in my case, in my students' case, price zone areas, buy and sell areas. Okay, you can see a couple of days ago I had a nice divergence signal at a price area here, and price plummets down. Okay, also go through here again here, price zone area, price rockets up with the divergence indicator. Now, how the indicator works, it actually gives us signals. You can see the arrow here. So once that arrow appears, and by the way, it's not repainting. When this arrow appears and stays, you take the trade. As long as it's with your support and resistance strategy, or in my case, my price zone area strategy. You can see up here at another zone, a few divergences happening actually in the zone. Once it's in the zone, you get a divergence, you take the trade. Okay, you can see just coming down to the zone here, we get one, and then it's in the zone, rockets up. And let's just have a look at the British Pound USD, similar story. You can see here, this huge move down this week on the 1 hour chart. We actually got a signal from it. Okay, I'll just take the MACD divergence signal off. But you can see we're in the zone area, and if we look at this move here, it's nearly a 300 pip move inside the zone. These ones here, they're not really signals. This one here, buy signal, because it's not in an area where we'll be looking to buy. Okay, so you can trade this with your support and resistance strategies, trend continuation strategies. Pretty powerful. So it is. You can see another trade here. It is pretty powerful. And what's even more powerful is, guys, the price that I'm actually letting you allow this, actually giving you this indicator for, and it's for $49. And you can see some of the trades. One trade like this could literally pay for the indicator, plus more. Okay, so $49. It's an entry price. You can click the link below to access it. It will be going up in the future, probably the new year, but at the minute you can access it today for $49. So just click the link below, and I'll speak to you soon. Will at the FXAUUSD.com.